Hello everyone, welcome to EduTab and welcome to ARD Current Affairs series. In this session, we will be covering the ARD Current Affair of your May 2023 and this is the part 1 of this month and rest we will be covering in part 2. Okay? But before starting this video, I have an announcement that we have launched a comprehensive NABARD guidebook for you, which is your one-step solution to all your queries regarding NABARD and NABARD examination. Not only that, it is also providing you the decoded syllabus as well as PYQs. And also it will provide you the strategy and resources to crack this NABARD reader examination, and that too for free. Yes, you can avail this guidebook for free, and for that you have to go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself and avail this information for yourself. Okay, now with that, let's start our video with the very first question, that is, recently National Conference on Agriculture for Kharif Campaign 2023 set the national targets for production of food grains and other commodities. What is the target that is set by the government for food grain production for 2023-24 crop year? ठीक है, your options are 331 million ton, 332 million ton, 334 million ton, 335 million ton or 337 million ton. And right answer for this question is 332 million ton. ठीक है, now let's see what is the news. So basically this National Conference on Agriculture for Kharif Campaign 2023 was held. ठीक है, कहाँ held हुई थी? What was the venue? So basically it was held at NASC Complex, Pusa, New Delhi. ठीक है, पूसा न्यू दिल्ली पे हुई थी, कहाँ? On 3rd May 2023. And in this conference, what was the objective of this conference? So basically this objective was to review and assess the crop performance during preceding crop season and fix crop wise target for kharif season in consultance with स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से कंसल्ट करके खरीफ क्रॉप सीजन, जो खरीफ सीजन है डिफरेंट कमोडिटीज के लिए, उसके लिए एक टारगेट सेट किया गया. ठीक है, इन दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस. अब क्या टारगेट फिक्स हुआ? बेसिकली फूड ग्रेन के लिए, टोटल फूड ग्रेन, द टारगेट फिक्स वाज 332 मिलियन टन. ठीक है, पल्स प्रोडक्शन के लिए द टारगेट सेट वाज 298 लाख टन एंड फॉर ऑयल सीड इट इज 440 लाख टन एंड फॉर श्री अन्ना इट इज 170 lakh ton. Okay, Sri Anna is basically millets are core cereals and from now we will be not calling them core cereals, we will be calling them Sri Anna. ठीक है, so these were the target that was set in this conference and आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि कितना टारगेट सेट हुआ है. ठीक है, तो ये तो रही इस न्यूज की बात. नाउ यू हैव टू नो हियर दैट वेयर दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस वाज हेल्ड, दैट इज NACS कॉम्प्लेक्स पूसा न्यू दिल्ली. ठीक है, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कहाँ कॉन्फ्रेंस हेल्ड हुई थी, न्यू दिल्ली में हुई थी. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का एंड टारगेट क्या फिक्स हुआ था ऑल ओवर. ठीक है, पल्सेस के अंदर डिफरेंट पल्सेस का भी टारगेट सेट हुआ था, बट ऑल ओवर आपको पता होना चाहिए कि टोटल पल्सेस का कितना टारगेट सेट हुआ, या ऑल सीड के अंदर डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स है उनका क्या टारगेट सेट हुआ था, और मिलेट्स के अंदर क्या टारगेट सेट हुआ था. ठीक है, so this was the news. I hope now this is clear to you. Now let's jump into the next question, that is, recently Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has released the data related to progress of area coverage under summer crops. What is the area under rice crop? Your options are given: 28.30 lakh hectare, 13.20, 33.40, 43.50 or 23.70. And right answer for this question is 28.30 lakh hectare. ठीक है, so basically Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, they have released the data for the progress of area coverage under समर क्रॉप. ठीक है, अगर इफ यू रिमेंबर, ठीक है, अगर आपको याद होगा तो वी हैव कवर्ड द सेम डेटा फॉर रबी क्रॉप. ठीक है, आई थिंक इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी और फेब्रवरी और मार्च, आई डोंट नो, you can just refer to those video and you will find that we have covered the progress of area under rabi crop also. ठीक है, तो आप उसको रेफर कर सकते हो for the rabi crop season. And here we will be seeing that what was the data related regarding summer crops. ठीक है, for rice this year the area will be 28.30 lakh hectare. Pulses के लिए it is 19.81 lakh hectare. For Sri Anna, that is millets, it is 12.01 lakh hectare. For oilseed it is 10.17 lakh hectare and total overall it is 70.30 lakh hectare. ठीक है, so this is the data regarding the progress of area coverage under the समर क्रॉप. ठीक है, तो ये तो रही डेटा की बात, ये आपको याद होना चाहिए. ठीक है, एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि रबी सीजन के लिए यू कैन रेफर टू दोज वीडियोस. Now moving on to the next question, that is, recently which of the following has achieved its highest ever growth trajectory with tea export up by 431% over the previous year exports. basically one of the public I would one of the company have achieved this target, and the tea export of their has reached has been up by 431%. Your options are Bharat Tea Corporation Limited, Indian Tea Corporation Limited, Andrew Yule and Cooperative Limited, Hindustan Tea Corporation Limited, none of the above. And right answer here is Andrew Yule and Cooperative Limited. ठीक है, अब न्यूज देख लेते हैं. So basically this company, Andrew Yule and Company, this is the sole public sector enterprise of government of India in tea industry. ठीक है, पहली चीज तो ये है कि this is the sole public sector enterprise of government of India in terms of tea industry. ठीक है, and they have achieved a target. Okay, they have achieved a target of export of tea by 431%. ठीक है, इनका जो export है that has increased by 431%, which is a very good target, right? Which is a very good news. And also this company, ठीक है, इस company के 15 tea gardens है, which is spread over Assam and West Bengal. ठीक है, कितने tea garden है? There are 15 tea garden of this company and they are in Assam and West Bengal. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको क्या याद रखना है, that this is the sole public sector enterprise of government. And what was the export? ठीक है, कितना export increase है? It is up by 431%. ठीक है, और इस कंपनी का नाम, ठीक है, ये कंपनी का एग्जैक्टली नाम क्या है? I think now this is clear to you, right? Moving on to the next question, that is recently Cotton Association of India has lowered its cotton crop estimate by dash for 22-23 season. ठीक है, your options are 4,65,000 bale, 2,34,000 bale, for 2,43,000 bale, 4,44,000 bale और 4,53,000 bale. ठीक है, and right answer here is 4,65,000 bales. ठीक है, basically bale is the unit in which the cotton is measured. ठीक है, bale एक unit होती है कि जिसमें cotton को measure किया जाता है. Now let's see the news. So basically your CAI, that is Cotton Association of India, ठीक है, they have lowered the estimate of cotton crop, ठीक है, by 4,65,000 bale. ठीक है, जितना estimate किया गया था उससे और कम कर दिया गया estimate by 4,65,000 bale. अब ये estimate क्यों कम कर दिया गया? Basically it was expected that there will be a decline of cotton production in महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, तमिलनाडु और उड़ीसा. ठीक है, इन states में cotton production decline हो सकता है, that is why this estimate was lower. ठीक है, and what is the estimate now? It is 29.8 million. And also it is said that this estimate is lower. The estimate of cotton crop has been lowest since 2008 2009 2008 and 9 के बाद ये estimate कम होता जा रहा है. ठीक है, and it has lowered. और आपको याद होना चाहिए कि कितना लोअर हुआ है, कितना कम हुआ है, 4,65,000. ठीक है, दिस इज द बेल. ठीक है, so ये इतना estimate कम हुआ है for the cotton, and अब estimate कितना है, 29.8 million bale. ठीक है, so now I think this news is clear to you. और also I would like to add here कि अब ये estimate कम क्यों किया, कि basically due to changes in season, due to abrupt changes in weather. ठीक है, तो production of cotton can decline. ठीक है, farmers are not taking cotton as a crop crop now, and due to that it is expected to decline in these states, and that is why Cotton Association of India has taken this step and they had lowered their estimate. ठीक है, now this was the news about the cotton. ठीक है, now I hope this is clear to you. Moving on to the next question, that is recently in order to expand the benefit of Kisan Credit Card to all eligible animal husbandry, dairy and fishery farmers in the country, which of the following campaign was held? ठीक है, आपको बताना है कि इस किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड के बेनिफिट को एक्सपैंड करने के लिए रिसेंटली एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, डेयरी एंड फार्मर फिशरीज ने, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, dairy and fishery, they have organized a campaign. And what was the name of the campaign? So basically the name is Nationwide AHDF ACC campaign. ठीक है, this was the name of the campaign. And if you remember, we have covered this Pashudhan Jagriti Abhiyan. This is also an awareness campaign. ठीक है, this was also an awareness campaign which was I think organized by same ministry. And why this was organized? So basically to promote the awareness regarding new technology of dairy. ठीक है, इन फार्मर्स. तो ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. देखो, हम जो भी न्यूज कवर करते जाते हैं, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, ट्राई टू रिलेट दीज न्यूज टू द प्रीवियस मंथ न्यूज एंड देन इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू. ठीक है, अब एक नया कैंपेन इन मई में आपको सुनाई दिया कि हाँ भाई अब दूसरा कैंपेन मई में आ गया है, और इसके प्रीवियस मंथ में कौन सा कैंपेन था. ठीक है, ऐसे में आपको याद करना ईजी हो जाएगा. Let's cover this news. So basically nationwide AHDF KCC campaign was organized, and this was organized by Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy in cooperation with Department of Financial Service and Department of Fisheries. ठीक है, इन तीनों ने मिलके this campaign was organized. And why this campaign was organized? So basically to expand the benefit of KCC, that is Kisan Credit Card, to all eligible animal husbandry, dairy and fisheries farmers in the country. ठीक है, to expand the benefit of this KCC, this campaign was organized, and through this campaign many KCC was matlab Kisan credit card was distributed, many Kisan credit card was distributed among the eligible farmers. ठीक है, so that was the agenda behind this campaign. Now let's move on to the next question, that is, recently which of the following app was launched for geospatial data in agriculture? Your option are Amma Krush AI, India Handmade, Sathi app, Krishi Mapper app, none of the above. ठीक है, and right answer here is right answer here is Krishi Mapper app. ठीक है, this is the right answer for this question. And if you remember, we have covered these three apps. ठीक है, ये three app हमने cover कर लिया. Amma Krush AI is basically a chat box, India's first chat box, AI chat box for farmers. ठीक है, रिवाइज करते चलते हैं. तो India's first AI chat box for farmers was Amma Krush AI. India Handmade was a app and portal for हैंडलूम सेक्टर. ठीक है, बेसिकली टू रिमूव द मिडल मैन. साथ ही वॉज अ सीड ऐप. ठीक है, ये सीड्स के लिए, सीड सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए, सीड ट्रेसेबिलिटी के लिए एक ऐप डेवलप किया गया था. तो ऐसे आप रिवाइज करते रहो. ठीक है, अनदर ऐप वॉज लॉन्च, उसका नाम क्या है? कृषि मैपर ऐप फॉर जियो स्पेशल डेटा इन एग्रीकल्चर. Now let's cover the news. So basically, this Krishi Mapper app, and this Krishi Mapper is an integrated app of geospatial data in agriculture. ठीक है, and it was also launched at National Conference on Agriculture for Kharif campaign. We have covered this campaign. कहाँ हुई थी this campaign? It was in New Delhi. It was organized at New Delhi. ठीक है, तो what is this Krishi Mapper? Basically, it is an integrated app for geospatial data in agriculture, and this app is covers and monitors of all land intervention based schemes. ठीक है, जैसे कि डिजिटल क्रॉप सर्वे, नेचुरल फार्मिंग, सीड प्रोडक्शन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, NFSM, हॉर्टिकल्चर, एग्रोफॉरेस्ट्री एंड अदर रिलेटेड स्कीम. ठीक है, so that was about this Krishi Mapper. Now I hope this is clear to you. Moving on to the last question, that is the homework question for you. That is, what is the MSP of common paddy for the season 2023-24? ठीक है, you have to let me know the answer of this question in the comment box. If you know the answer, very well and good. If you don't know, if you wanted to exclusive video on MSP, so tomorrow we will be coming with the session that is exclusive on MSP. ठीक है, MSP पे हम exclusive session ला रहे हैं, where we will be discussing with what is MSP, what is the MSP set for different commodities. ठीक है, so if you wanted to watch that video, you can just come to the tomorrow session also. And that was all for this session. ठीक है, I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also you can join us on our Telegram channel. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much.